Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sarvasya Chaham Ridhisannivishto. I am sitting in everyone's heart. Find out God, find out Krishna. In several places, all Vedic literature. Guhayam, Guhayam means in the heart. Sarvasya Chaham Ridhisannivishto. Mattasmiti Jnanam Apohanam. The Supreme Director, Krishna, is sitting there and he is directing. Now, this living entity wants to fulfill his desire in this way. He is giving direction to the material nature. Now, prepare a vehicle, body, for this rascal in this way. He wants to enjoy, all right, let him enjoy. This is why. We are all rascals. We are manufacturing our different ways of life. I think, so we are thinking. As soon as we are thinking, but we cannot fulfill our desires without sanction of God. That is not possible. But because we are persisting, that I want to fulfill my desire in this way, Krishna is sanctioning all right. Just like a child persists to possess something, the father gives all right, take it. So all these bodies we are getting, although by the sanction of the Supreme Lord, but he is sanctioning with reluctance. Why this rascal is wanting that? This is our question. Therefore, at last Krishna says, Sarvadharman Parityaja, give up this rascal now. I want this body, I want that body, I want to enjoy life in this way. Give up all this nonsense. So, here in the Vedic literatures you find that both the Lord and the living entity, they are situated in the heart. The living entity, Jiva, is desiring, and the Master is sanctioning. And the Prakriti, or the material nature, is giving the body. Here is the body. Ready, sir, come here. Therefore, the original cause of our entanglement or liberation is our desire. As we are desiring. If we desire to become free from this implication of birth, death, old age and disease, it is ready. And if you want to continue this implication, change of body, bhashangsi chinnani, because you cannot enjoy spiritual life in this material body. You can enjoy this material world with this material body. And if you want to enjoy spiritual life, then you have to enjoy in spiritual body. But as we have no information of the spiritual life, spiritual enjoyment, we are simply desiring to enjoy this world. Puna puna charvita charvana, chewing the chew. The same sex, the same man and woman, they are enjoying at home. They say again, go to the naked dance. The object is the same, sex, here or there. But they are thinking, if I go to the theatre or naked dancing, it will be very enjoyable. It is called puna puna charvita char, chewing the chew. The same sex life at home, chewing, and go to the naked club, chewing the chewing. There is no rasa. There is no human mellow. Therefore they are disappointed. Because the thing is the same. Just like you chew one sugar cane and take out the juice, and again if you chew, then what you will get? But they are so dull-headed, so rascal, they do not know. They are trying to get pleasure, which is already enjoyed, which is already tasted. Puna puna charvita charvana, adanta govi visadanta misram, puna puna charvita charvana. A human being, you will find that when the dogs, they have sex life, they have no shame. So many lusty people stand there and see. Seeing means they are willing. If I could enjoy in the street like this, and sometimes they do. This is Gaya. Puna puna charvita charma.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare